YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you installation of software using the graphical user interface. So this is just for the purpose of education. Now you go to start, type software, or you can look up for it, software, and then let's search for Chess. I think let's do installation of Chess today. Now you can explore the right way and have Chess, and let's check the last one on the list. Yeah, with that you just can check on the reviews what people have said about it. Yeah, you can see whether they have problems and solutions to them, and after that you can click on the install button. Sometimes it takes long or short depending on your internet connectivity and the speeds of your internet. Mine is a little bit slow today, so let's just wait for it and see how long it takes. So you can do this for all softwares that you need as long as they are in the software repository. Yeah, so let's go back and check on it. So it's already installed, it finished installation, so that's, you just launch it that way. You can make moves just as the way you usually make moves on the chessboard. So for this demonstration, let's just not play, let's look at it how it moves. Let's hold it there, close it up, then click on the remove button to uninstall. So with time it may not show you how it happens, but looking at it from there, you just come and look at the terminal and it's already uninstalled, so you can still install the same way. So with that, I think that ends our video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and also share. Please also comment on what you want us to post next, and have a nice time. Thank you so much.